Now, India is overhauling its land border security by moving away from traditional manpower patrolling and towards a unified technological grid. The Ministry of Home Affairs is rolling out a new integrated border management policy designed to secure the nation's 15,106.7-kilometer land border shared across 7 countries. India is building a 6,000-kilometer AI-powered smart border shield across the Pakistan and Bangladesh borders. But this is far beyond traditional fencing and patrol systems. Here's why. The initiative centers on establishing a network of small forward command units linked directly to field headquarters and central command in New Delhi. Now, by streaming live surveillance feeds directly to command posts, the system aims to optimize security force deployment and reduce the constant need for physical foot patrols. The framework integrates artificial intelligence, optical sensors, image processing tools, and aerial drones to generate a unified operational picture for field commanders. It will establish faster communication for intelligence sharing among the Border Security Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, the Indian Army, and the state administration, called the quadrangular security grid. A key driver is combating drone-based threats, particularly illegal smuggling operations and aerial reconnaissance along the Pakistan border. Because, well, India's geography ranges from mountains and deserts to flood-prone rivers. The technology will be customized locally, of course, rather than deployed uniformly. The architecture is vital for non-fenced frontiers, including the 3,488-kilometer undemarcated border with China, as well as flood-prone riverine stretches along Bangladesh where physical fencing is next to impossible. Along the India-Bangladesh border alone, nearly 800-kilometer passes through rivers and shifting terrain where barbed wire fencing struggles to survive. At the same time, drone-based smuggling and infiltration attempts have increased very sharply, with BSF intercepting hundreds of drones carrying weapons and contraband in recent years. So, instead of relying only on physical barriers, the new system can automatically detect suspicious movement. A pilot project testing the smart border framework will launch soon along the Pakistan border. Then, of course, we have the technological rollout, which forms one part of a broader four-pronged strategy outlined by Home Minister Amit Shah, combining border guarding forces, local communities, state police, and modern tech solutions. Now, to coordinate ground execution, the ministry hosted the Land Border District Superintendents of Police Conference, bringing together officials across 119 border districts and 17 states and union territories. Participating states have until December to submit operational feedback, with the final quadrangular security grid set for complete rollout within the next year and a half. Now, shifting toward remote monitoring actually cuts down long-term operational fatigue for border personnel while creating a unified data ecosystem for multi-agency threat response. Furthermore, bringing local border communities and district police into coordinated security grid strengthens early intelligence gathering along vulnerable entry corridors. I think genuinely, if this works out, it would be fabulous. In any case, here is the front page take. But before we get into that, say hello to IBM Bob, the AI development partner helping developers turn bold ideas into real-world solutions. And that too at lightning speed. From code to deployment, build smarter and go beyond the vibe with IBM Bob. Now, back to this particular development along the borders. Now, deploying an integrated smart border network demonstrates that the Ministry of Home Affairs recognizes the limits of relying solely on physical fencing and foot patrols along complex frontiers. Now, customizing technology for specific environments allows India to secure difficult regions like undemarcated mountain passes and riverine stretches while countering high-tech threats like smuggling drones. Now, the critical test here will be actually ensuring seamless data sharing across state police, border forces, and central intelligence without creating operational constraints. Which then brings us to the question, Will AI surveillance and integrated command centers effectively secure unfenced border regions, or will physical terrain obstacles continue to present security blind spots? If you honestly ask me, I think it would be a hybrid version. That's what I feel, because it is national security at the end of the day, which is on the line, and that is under the radar right now. So I guess that should be probably the way forward. But then, those are my thoughts. Please do let us know what are yours. Till then, like, share, subscribe. Think AI. Think AIM.